And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Our latest drought outlook is still abnormally dry for the southern two-thirds of the viewing area. This is a D0 out of D4 in terms of dryness. We still need about 1 to 6 inches of rain to erase this in the southern two-thirds. In the short term, we're in pretty good shape. The crops look okay. The grass is pretty green. But in the long term, we've got issues. Rivers, creeks, ponds, very low in parts of the area where you see these golden dots and deep rust-colored dots from Tippecanoe, Carroll, Cass, Miami County, up here in northern Jasper County, parts of Montgomery County. These are areas that have very low stream levels, and some of these are below the 10th percentile, so extremely low levels. Some of the ponds in the area still 5 to 6 feet below normal. Still at Purdue, it's the third driest summer on record back to 1879 with 4 1/3 inches since June the 1st. And this kind of tells the story. Since late June, right in this area I've got highlighted in green, this zone has been quite dry. These areas highlighted in green that are yellow colored, green or blue colored, those areas only had 1/4 to 2 inches of rain since late June. But this zone here has had 10 to 18 inches since late July. This is where the historic flooding has been, and some of that flooding has occurred all the way back to St. Louis. So we're kind of split here. Very dry here, very dry down here, dry up towards Detroit and Ann Arbor, Michigan, but very wet southwest Indiana and down into Kentucky. Tomorrow we are dry, 84 to 90, just a hair more humid in the afternoon, 87 in Greater Lafayette, lots of sunshine around. And there you see the highest viewing area wide in the 80s to as high as 90 degrees. Now, notice on Futurecast just a few clouds tomorrow after a nice evening, a nice night tonight. Then we get into Saturday, more in the way of clouds, winds out of the south, pretty muggy, and at least some scattered showers and thunderstorms bubbling up in the afternoon. This is 4 p.m. and you see some of these coming in from the west, and then we'll have around us some scattered storms Saturday night. Then a lull, but then once we get to Sunday afternoon, evening, 2 or 3 little spokes of showers and storms come through the area. Saturday evening, Saturday night, and Sunday can't completely rule out an isolated severe storm or two. You see the data here in our severe cast indicating the risk of isolated severe weather. And in terms of rainfall, before all is said and done from this, it's going to vary from 4/10 of an inch to some places getting a little bit more than 1.5 inches of rain. 70 forecast, normal high, low 80s, but 84 Saturday and Sunday, 82 Monday, couple isolated to spotty thunder showers, 84 Tuesday, then we heat up and it's pretty humid, back up to 90 Thursday.